Hello and welcome back to Tree Classroom. Midende Kwejo. I will encourage you, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll get a notification and you can watch and also share and like this video as well. Today, we are going to look at the names of the days of the week in Tree. So we know the days of the week in English already. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's get started with the names of the days of the week in Chi. So we have Monday, Chua Da, Ejuada, Ejuada. Tuesday, Ben Na Da, Ebnada, Ebnada. Wednesday, Wu Ku A Da, Wukuada, Wukuada. Thursday, Ya Wo A Da, Yawada, Yawada. Friday, E Fia Da, Efiada, Efiada. Saturday, Me Ne Da, Memeneda, Memeneda. Sunday, Kwa Si A Da, Kwesiada, Kwesiada. Now I'm going to go over. Monday, Ejuada, Ejuada. Tuesday, Ebenada, Ebenada. Wednesday, Wukuada, Wukuada. Thursday, Yawada, Yawada. Friday, Efiada, Efiada. Saturday, Memeneda, Memeneda. Sunday, Kwesiada, Kwesiada. Good. There's one unique thing about the Akan culture, and that is everybody has a name that is given to them based on the day you were born. So we are going to look at the days and the names that are given to people based on the day they were born. So let's start from Monday. Monday, Ejuada. If you are born on Monday and you are male, you are called Kwejo. Kwejo. If you are female, you are called Ajua. Ajua. Tuesday, Ebenada. If you are male, you are called Kwabena. Kwabena. If you are female, you are called Abena. Abena. If you are born on Wednesday, Wukuada, and you are male, you are called Kwaku. Kwaku. And if you're female, you are called Akia. Akia. If you are born on Thursday, Yawada, and you are male, you are called Yao. Yao. If you are female, you are called Ya. Yeah. If you are born on Friday, Efiada, and you are male, you are called Kofi. Kofi. If you are female, you are called Efia. Efia. If you are born on Saturday and you are a male, you are called Kwame. Kwame. If you are female, you are called Ama. Ama. If you are born on Sunday and you are male, you are called Kwasi. Kwasi. And if you are female, you are called Akosia. 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 Good. I know you practice along. Once again, please like this video and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more videos that will help you to practice your tree. Thanks for watching.